right, guys, it's a cold, wet Sunday, and Leo and I are pulling up to our rain spot. It's a little spot that's got some cover in a parking garage. We got to get our steps in, and weather's not going to stop us. So let's go. All right, buddy, you ready to do this? So it's a little business park area, but it's got a covered garage. We can get our steps in. Let's go, buddy. Ready, pal? Buddy, let's go this way. Come on, let's go this way. Might be a little dark in here. Hopefully it picks up. All right, let's go this way. Come on, pal. So this way we can get our move on and still stay dry. This way, pal. We've got a little route we'd like to take. This way, buddy. Uh-oh, here it comes. Let's go. It's the freeway right next to us. We are under a ramp, so it's a little noisy. But we'll take the noise if we can stay dry. Oh, pal. Good job, buddy. Uh-oh. Come on, pal. So we've actually got a nice cover here, and then we're going to head over and work our way up the garage levels. Still run around even on wet days. As you guys know, Leo is a big fan of drains. Any chance this guy gets to see what's going on down below, he'll do it. All right, pal, come on. Nice running, buddy. It's not raining too hard, but looks like it wants to. All right. No pedestrians, buddy. You're in trouble. Come on. Let's go this way. I'll tell you what. Let's go up. What's that? You're not scared, are you, buddy? All right. Not the most scenic, but it'll do the trick. Yeah! Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I get you. Oh, I got this guy. I got this best guy. Whoops. course, it's great on the weekends because everyone who's usually here parked is off today. Let's go check it out, buddy. Still wet. Come on, let's go. Let's go get another level. Let's go one more floor. What do you say, pal? Okay. Let's go. What do you think? What do you think, sweetest guy in the world? What do you think, most handsome guy? One more floor? Okay. Want a race? You want a race? You do? Let's go. In there, buddy. Okay. What should we do, buddy? Let's take a look. What do you want to do, pal? You decide. Not sure. Ah, let's go down. Good decision. Oh, nice. Ooh, good job, buddy. You ready? You can do it. Oh my gosh. What do you think? You got one more steps in you? I think you do. Come on. Oh my gosh, it's crushing the steps today. One more? Okay. Crusher. Good job, pal. Let's go walk around the building. Just a little light drizzle. Take a loop around this building and get a few more in. Come on, pal. So, I never had a pet before Leo. Didn't know how wonderful it was. Now we've all heard dogs, man's best friend, but man, I tell you, this guy changed my life. So if you were on the fence about getting a dog, I'll just tell you, it's probably the greatest thing I ever did. I'm not sure why I waited so long. However, this is a special boy, and he's got a lot to do with it. Come on, pal. No one here today. Let's go this way, buddy. What is it, buddy? Oh no. Come on. Oh, nice one, pal. Let's go this way. Come on, let's go this way. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Buddy, come on. This way, handsome. Come on. Come on. Actually, I'll tell you what, buddy. Let's go get some grass. Let's go get some grass. Little grass patch over here, so we'll work our way back. Good job, buddy. Let's go. That's wet, buddy. Come on, it's wet. Come on. All right. Let's go, palsy. Go on, buddy. Let's go, pal. Let's go, buddy. Hit the grass patch here just in case, one more time. And just because it's raining doesn't mean we can't get our walk on. All right, guys, we're going to hop in the car, and thanks for coming with us. Want to say bye-bye?